It's us with M&M Cooking, and we are now studying zookeepers or vets. Here's Hannah again. So today we're going to make a zoo cage or an animal cage like you would see at the zoo. So we are going to take a graham cracker, a whole graham cracker. This is a half, but we're going to take a whole one, and we're going to spread some icing on it. So Hannah's going to spread some icing on it. And by the way, Hannah, have you heard the joke about the leopard?
No, I don't think so.
Why can't he play hide and seek?
I don't know.
Because he's always spotted.
That's good. I think you wrote that one. That's good.
So once you get it all spread on there, Hannah's going to lay it on our tray here. And I'm going to take some animal crackers. I got these little Barnum and Bailey animal crackers. Or you can take the ones from Walmart. Doesn't matter. And I've got some animals I'm going to lay on it. And then, so I have a bear. And I have I don't know what that was. This looks like, oh, this is a giraffe. That's Hannah's favorite animal in the world. So I now have 3 animals on my animal cracker. And then I'm going to make stripes for the cage. So I'm just going to take, this is an icing pin. You can make stripes for this. Hannah, what else could I use to make my stripes? Twizzlers?
Yeah, Twizzlers, pretzels.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Pretzels are a great idea. Yeah, or let's see.
You could line some M&Ms up in a row.
Ooh, that actually sounds really good.
It probably tastes better.
Here's my zoo cage with my 3 animals in it. That's as easy as it gets.
But not yet. I have another joke.
Of course.
Okay. How do you count cows?
1, 2.
No. With a calculator.
Oh my gosh, a calculator. How did I not get that one? A calculator.
All right, enjoy.
Love you. Bye.